Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Apollo for prospecting and CRM, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with Apollo, navigate to the Apollo website using your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be presented with various registration options, including signing up using your email address or using a social media account. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password that meets the requirements indicated on the screen. After entering your email and password, click the Continue or Sign Up button to move forward. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Apollo. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, you will be redirected back to the Apollo platform. Now, fill in additional information required for your profile. This typically includes your name, company name, job title, and other relevant details. After completing the profile information, click on the Next or Save button. You may also need to select your primary use case for Apollo, such as prospecting or managing customer relationships. Follow any additional prompts that appear on the screen to complete your registration process. Once registration is complete, you will be taken to your Apollo dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. Explore the different sections for prospecting, CRM, and any tools provided by Apollo. Configure your settings and preferences based on your personal or team needs. You are now ready to start using Apollo for your prospecting and CRM efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.